And now we're going to the beach with this kids. Ayan, sakay kami sa sasakyan. Going to the beach. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, puro puno ang aming dinadaanan kasi galing kami sa taas or sa medyo baba ng bundok. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, puno-puno. Let's go!
For the special touch you give, I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrifice in love.
Ayan, nasa biyahe pa rin mga person. Kung makikita nyo naman, pababa na kami. And then, medyo malapit na kami sa kay Ayala Don Jaime Beach. Ayan, dito lang yan sa bayan ng Puerto Galera, Barangay Aninuan. Let's go!
You should be here with me. No wasting time, yeah, you've been on my mind. Don't overthink it, you were there from the start when my heart became
Ayan na nga! Agad ang person! Ayan, pababa na kami yan. And mag-stop na kami kasi andyan na yung beach. Let's go!
for the special touch you give.
Nandito na kami sa beach. Ayan, kung makikita nyo naman, lubog na yung araw. So, the sunset is coming. Ayan. So, we're walking on the beach, searching for a place kung saan kami magtatambay or pupwesto. Ayan na,
go away. I should be much too smart for this. You know it gets the better of me sometimes. When you and I collide, I fall into an ocean of you. Pull me out on time, don't let me drown and let me down. I say it's all because of you. And here I go, losing my control. I'm practicing your name so I can say it to your face. It doesn't seem right to look you in the eye, and all the things you mean to me come tumbling out my mouth. Indeed, it's time to tell you why I say it's infinitely true.